Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to know or how to find out if somebody blocked you on your Facebook Messenger app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our Messenger app. And you can see all these stats. Let's block somebody. Let's block my other account. And here it is. You can see the information icon at the top right corner of your phone with an eye on it. Just tap there and let's block him. Let's block, and let's block messages and calls. By the way, if a person decides to block you on Facebook permanently, then you will not be able to view his account, and I will share you about that a little bit later. And now let's switch my account. So basically guys, you saw that previously I had blocked this account from another account, and now let's search for my another account, and here it is. And you can see I have sent all these messages to him, and previously we blocked this account from this account. So now if I send a message with a hello on it, it will not be delivered to the person who had blocked you. Or if you call him, let's call him, and you can see the did not answer option over here. Even though we had not cutted the call or ended the call from another account, it still could not be reached. And there guys, this is how to know or find out if somebody has blocked you on Facebook Messenger app, because you can see the message has not been delivered and the call is not engaging or going, and you can see all these emojis won't also work. So there guys, finding out if somebody has blocked you on Facebook Messenger app is this easy. And if somebody has not blocked you but they are still offline, then the message you send will be delivered to them when they come online, and after a certain time you will be known that you have not still been blocked by the second person. And if you have been blocked, your messages won't be delivered to that guy on even if he comes online or not. So there guys, if you have any questions or comments regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.